Tell me why. Happy Friday, y'all. Welcome to a new vlog. So on today's agenda, we only have one errand to do, and we're going to Jamaica's Target, aka Fontana. I need to get something for my braces, the wax, because I ran out and I need it. It's essential to have wax. But anyways, I'm in traffic, and yeah, that's the only thing I'm gonna go there for. But I'm definitely gonna look around. I've been in Fontana before, but I'm not really a shopper at Fontana because of their prices, which is crazy. But yeah. By the way, y'all, it's hot. It is extremely hot. The heat is ridiculous. Okay, I think I found them. This is it. Auto wax. There's no price on it. I'm gonna order some from Amazon because this look like a bit. How much coming it? I don't even know. This look tiny, man. But I have to get it because I need it. There's no price. Oh my god. It's $800 for this. I'm not buying that. Alright guys, I got what I wanted. I'm leaving before I spend what I don't have. Alright. Okay, so left Fontana. I totally forgot I need to go to the supermarket because I'm running out of tissue and bath soap. So we're gonna go into the supermarket, get that, then home time. I need to figure out what I'm gonna eat. I'm feeling for some noodles. I don't know why I'm feeling for soup in this hot time. It's really hot, guys. But yeah, let's just go into the supermarket because I'm starting to get a little bit hungry too. All right, let's go. Interesting. They have Chick-fil-A sauce. So, tell me why I went in the supermarket just to purchase tissue and bath soap, but I came out spending $5,000. Why? But I got something for dinner. I'm gonna do stew peas for dinner. And I got like ramen and stuff like that. I'm gonna go home and make ramen right now. Later I need to decide what I'm gonna eat. More than likely it's gonna be jerk chicken. I probably should have just buy rotisserie chicken. I could have had that with some rice later for dinner, but I'll figure it out. All right, so we are home. So let's get into the groceries that I got for $5,000. Because don't ask me what I took out. Okay, so I got 3 of these, 3 tissues. Got me a tray of eggs because I don't have any right now. Then I got something to wipe out the house, some multi-clean cleaner. Hold on, the door just locked. Oh, it's gonna lock again. Then I got the bath soap, and I got cereal, just Frosted Flakes, the best thing ever. I got a small one because I'm trying to, I don't drink like a lot of milk, but when I feel for cereal, I'm gonna have it. And I got 3 ramens. I'm gonna do one of these right now because the girl is hungry. I got callaloo because I love callaloo and it's essential, and callaloo is good for us women. And I got Lasco to go with the cornflakes. The last thing I got was, remember I told you guys I wanted stew peas, so I bought just 1 pack of this, pigtail and chicken foot. I don't normally cook stew beef with it. I just normally do chicken foot and pigtail only. I forgot to get peas. I don't have any peas, so probably if I go on the road tomorrow, I'll grab some peas for the stew peas. Also, I should be going somewhere Sunday morning between 9 and 11 a.m. I think it's some church thing my friend invited me to, so you guys would also see that. So, but for tonight, Friday, no idea what I'm gonna do. More than likely, if I get invited out, then yeah, I'm gonna head out. But if not, I'm gonna stay in tomorrow night. I probably gonna go out. I forgot to show you guys this. So I got this multi-room usage freshener. Yeah, I just like when my bathroom, you see the plugins, I don't know, the plugins, when you plug them in like for a couple days, for a week or so, it smells so good, and then after that it fades away. I like when I walk into my bathroom, I smell something sweet or whatever. That's just me. So guys, I'm sweating. So I bought this. I'm gonna see how long this lasts. If it lasts continuously and freshens, then I will purchase one for my bedroom. So tear, grip top of corner. I'm supposed to grip this. Wait. Squeeze, cool. Oh, squeeze it to smell. Oh, it smells nice. So I'm supposed to, let me follow the instructions. So grip top of cover and twist. Okay, so grip top and twist. That's it. Oh, it's not that bad. It's not that, it's very mild. Anyways, let's put it in the bathroom. So for my bathroom, by the way, y'all, I need to purchase a washing machine. I think I'm gonna add it. So I have this candle here, but I'm gonna remove it because I can no longer light it, because this I can't no longer light it. So let me press that there. So I don't know, for some reason this is very light though, but I'm gonna leave it here to let it do its thing in the interim, and I'm gonna close my door and see how that smells. But anyways, I'm gonna put on my ramen right now because the girl is very hungry. I only had cereal this morning, so that's what I'm gonna do. I need to continue working. It's moving on to 4 o'clock, so I need to finish working, and then we'll get into whatever it is later, whether going out or staying in with a movie. Still haven't decided what for dinner yet, so I'm really feeling for some pizza. So I'm probably gonna do some Domino's, just order it online and just pick it up. I'm not too far away from a location, so that is the plan if I don't get invited out tonight. Maybe, hopefully I don't, because I feel like I want to chill tonight. But it depends on who invites me out. You know what I'm saying? It depends. It all depends. So it's Saturday. What's up? It's Saturday at 1:45 p.m. in the afternoon. Last night I did not go anywhere. After I cooked, what did I have? I think I did noodles last night, and then after that I had eggs and sausages for dinner. After last night I didn't go anywhere. I just turned on some soul's music on YouTube, cleaned the bathroom, showered, straight into bed, and just relaxed for the rest of the night. So yeah, didn't do anything Friday night. But right now, on the agenda for today, I am going to do a facial. I have not done a facial in so long, and the girl got her facial device here. I know I did a video probably like last year. So I'm just gonna do like a small, not too long facial, and we're gonna relax for the rest of the evening. For tonight, I may go on the road. I'm gonna see how that goes. But for now, we're just going to be home for the day Saturday. We don't have no cleaning. We don't have nothing to do. I did all of that during the week. And I'm a girl. I like my Saturdays and Sundays pretty much open and free. So it comes down to cleaning. When it comes down to cleaning and washing, I try to do that during the week. So Saturday, Sundays, it's clear. The only thing I should be doing is probably cooking and running some errands. So I'm super glad I don't have any errands to do. Pretty happy about that. I know I need to go to the ATM, but that can be done tonight or tomorrow. Yeah, but for now, we're just gonna do our facial and relax. Outside right now, I'm hearing thunder. It's very, very overcast. It's gonna rain. It did say that last night, and I checked the weather. And there's so many stuff going on tonight, so let's see how that goes. But I have my facial thingy here. Let me turn it on right now. I've already washed my face, so I'm gonna let this just steam up. Then after that starts bubbling, I am gonna, pick these whitehead out of my face, because there is so much whitehead going on. And I have a pimple right here. There was one right here that turned dark. And yeah, there's just so many whiteheads going on right now. So yeah, well, that's the plan. Let's get into our facial routine. Yeah, hear it bubbling up. I think I need to, there's something I'm missing. Should I do a microabrasion? I don't even know. I probably have to keep it this way in my lap, right? Yeah. Oh, do I need to turn off the AC? I think I need to, because it's blowing it. Alright, so steam my face probably for around 6 minutes. I think it has surpassed 6 minutes. Normally, I think you're supposed to be for like at least 10 minutes. But y'all, I'm hot. Anyways, I see the whiteheads and I see, the facial here. Because when you steam it, you can see the stuff sticking out. So along here, I do have like a lot of whiteheads. I don't think my nose got enough steam, but it's okay. So I'm just going to extract what I can to take off, these whitehead stuff. And then after, I'm just going to scrub my face. Oh, wow. Yeah. Right. keep trying so easy for you. I gave you all the love I got. I gave you more than I could give. Gave you love. I gave you all that I have inside. And you took my love. You took my love. Alright, so I think I've gotten a few whiteheads going on out of my face. I'm hot. So I'll just remove this lip gloss because I have no idea why do I still have it on my face. So I'm gonna use this scrub. I gave you all the love I got. I gave you more than I could give. Gave you love. I gave you all that I have inside, and you took my love. You took my love. I keep crying. I keep trying for you. I keep crying. I keep trying for you. My face feels so good already. Tell you, when you see my face, girl, it feels good. Just gonna put some Vaseline on my lips. Dry, girls, dry. Alright, I'm gonna go for the... I don't think I'm gonna steam my face again. Like, I was gonna go for the serum, do that, and then moisturize my face. I'm not gonna steam my face again. But nonetheless, I definitely need to go to the professional person for sure. Yeah. Let me just go for the serum. I keep trying for you. I gave you all the love I got. I gave you more than I could give. Gave you love. I gave you all that I have inside. And you took my love. Alright, once this dries, I'm gonna add my moisturizing cream, which is my hydrocortisone. As usual, y'all, I have eczema, so this is literally what I use to moisturize. I am definitely thinking about expanding now my skincare. See, oh, you heard that? The thunder. Seeing that the girl is getting, you know, she's gonna be touching 40 eventually. It's around the corner. In 5 years' time, I'm gonna be touching 40. So it's really time to get deep into my skincare and try products from early to see what works for me, because you see my face look young, like I'm 16 now. When I'm 40, 45, I'm gonna need to keep it this way. And I know some products I'm probably gonna need products. So it's essential that I start taking care of myself, doing facials regularly, need to incorporate exercise. As it relates to eating, I think I've mastered that. If I don't want rice, I'm not gonna eat it, regardless if it's in the house. Well, I do, you know, cheat a lot of times every now and then as it relates to rice, but I can definitely see I've mastered that. So the next thing that I need to do is the gym. So that's the plan, to start the gym in 2026. Can't do it this year. So 2026, that's the plan, to start going to the gym. The other day I started incorporating walks at the park. I cannot stop that. I'm not gonna pick it up back yet until I get a proper sneakers for that. So the interim, in between mornings, every now and then I try. So guys, why my phone pop up and say space. So I did do some videos yesterday. So the videos that I did yesterday, when I went on the road and stuff like that, I need to remove that from my phone so I can free up the space. So I just did, in order for me to get space a while ago, I had to delete TikTok, Snapchat. I need to upload my WhatsApp. Well, I don't need to because I'm finished right now talking to you guys. I'm going to transfer the information from my phone to the SD card. And then, yeah, but that's it for the facial. Just moisturize my face. I'm gonna just relax and watch some Netflix. I hear the thunder outside, like it's ready to start. So it's movie day. If I'm up to anything else, yeah, y'all would see that for sure. But yeah, we may go on the road later. I don't think I want to go though, but I may get invited out. If I get invited out, then yeah, I'm gonna go. Okay. Oh, I have a little booker. Right. The face looks fabulous, even though we just did a limited amount of stuff, but it's okay. It works for me. It works for me.